Okay, I have a little bit bigger screen here because I'm going to do something a little bit different. We're going to talk about connecting between two accounts to each other, both on the same machine via command line. Although it doesn't necessarily have to be on the same machine, but we only have the one machine we really use. I'm actually logged on as two different accounts here. The first one, I'm going to ask this philosophical question: who am I? I'm K Urban on this machine, and over here, if I go who am I, it says T Student. T Student is a test account that I have for just for purposes like this, so I can have two different accounts and show how that they can communicate. First off, you can turn the communications off and on. So let's MESG is for turning it off and on. So I'm going to turn it off over here on K Urban, and then I'm going to try and communicate from T Student to K Urban. So I'm going to type ytalk is sort of a talk client, and it's going to try and talk to K Urban, and it starts off, and I get an error. It says K Urban is refusing messages, right over there, and yes, it's refusing messages because I just said message no, but it's still sitting here waiting for connections, and it's going to sit there and wait until I hit Control C and it'll stop. Now over here, I'm going to turn on my messages so I can receive messages. Now I'll try it again. ytalk K Urban. Okay, now something happened to both screens. Over here it says waiting for connection. This is on the T Student account, and it's just sitting here waiting, and it's going to wait until something happens. Over here, my command was interrupted. See, I still have my command line, but it was interrupted by this talk, the talk daemon, that's Shula, saying that a connection was requested by T Student. So I can select this, and right, you remember you cut and paste, you hit both mouse buttons together. Okay, oh, and down here is ring again. So over here, I have my ytalk session. Over here it says talk, and down here it says T Students. Down here, oh, it says re-ring, yes. Okay, over here it says talk, yes. See, that took too long. So, okay, there we go. Well, how did I do that? Anyway, I got a hello there. So whatever I type in, I got to start this over. I have multiple connections. Let's just hit Control C and let's start this again. I won't wait so long. Just do talk K Urban over here. We'll just do both of them over here. This is what it should look like. Okay, so over here is what I'm typing. This was typed by K Urban. Notice on the K Urban screen it appears on the top, and on the T Student screen it appears on the bottom. And then on the T Student screen over here types, okay, it appears on the other side. So you can kind of type back and forth and talk to each other that way. When you're done, when either person is done, you can hit Control C and see that it hangs up both of them. Okay, so you can kind of use that together. We can type W over here, and let's see who's active. We'll try an experiment. We may be editing this video, but let's see. Okay, so now on J. Angelo's screen, a little thing that appeared, talk to K Urban, and maybe he will, maybe he won't. I don't know. We kind of wait and see. Okay, well, maybe we'll. Oh, he's in there. Video about why talk. Oh man, I can't type. You're on it. So anyway, just you can see that we're both typing at the same time. So anyway, and then you can hang this up whenever by hitting Control C. So I'm going to do that. Well, I'll wait until he finishes typing. Okay, so I'm going to hang up here and kind of cut it short. Okay, so that's ytalk and the MESG command and how to use it.